My name is Tim G, and I would love to share my experience with the emotional trauma healing session. So going into it, I felt quite nervous. I didn't know what to expect. But as soon as I got there, the man we did our trauma healing with was so kind, so gentle, and I felt trust straight away. And my experience was incredible. He just knew the exact points where to touch in my body to release tension or emotions, and some were unexpected. I had moments of crying, some anger, a lot of laughter as well. And yeah, he was always there supporting, so I felt so safe. And at the end of the session, it was like so much freedom. I just felt so happy, so relaxed, and felt like all of these emotions had just been cleared out of my body. And I remember walking on the street and just feeling so ecstatic and happy, and I'm so grateful for this experience. Thank you.